Hello everyone, now I'm with Nitecore new flashlight. It is the EDC35 here. Okay, Nitecore sent this flashlight to me for making a review. Okay, thank you very much. And this one, okay, it uses new LED. Okay, it is UHi 40 max. This LED can give out about 5,000 lumens max, and for the max throw about 550 meters. The reflector inside here, OP reflector, and it also has proximity sensor here. Okay. For the battery inside, it is built into 1700 battery with 6,000 milliamp. Okay, it is a new battery from Nitecore. The way to charge is this flashlight. Okay, the same way as EDC33. Here, just tweak this part and then just use USB-C. Okay, this is very good. Okay, here, like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's talk about the technical data about the brightness. Okay, the highest mode, okay, it is Lumin Shield. It is 5000 lumens max, but there's no information about runtime here. I have tried. It lasts about 15 seconds, and then it steps down to about high. Okay, for the search mode, okay, this one 3000 lumens. It lasts about 15 seconds, and then it steps down to the level that is still brighter than medium. Okay, for the high mode 1300 lumens, here it say it lasts about 4 hours 45 minutes. I have tried it for about 5 minutes. I have seen that it stepped down to about the level that is still a bit brighter than medium. Okay, for medium here it's about 300 lumens. It lasts about 9 hours 15 minutes. Okay, low 70 lumens, it lasts about 40 hours, and then ultra low 5 lumens 90 hours. Okay, and for impact resistant 2 meters, and for waterproof, okay, IP68. Okay. Okay. This flashlight, okay, it is similar to the former one, that is EDC33 here. Okay, but it's bigger. Okay, EDC33 uses 1X650 battery. This one 4000 milliamp, and for the LED, okay, different LED. EDC33 use UHi 20 max. Okay, and okay, as you can see here, it's smaller. Okay, it's smaller, and for okay, different LED, different head size. Okay, different reflector. Okay, here also different bezel. I like this one. Its bezel looks really good. Okay, for the UI, okay, both use the same UI. Okay, it's EDC35 is not different. Okay, in terms of UI, it's not different from EDC33. Okay, for the tint of these two flashlight, okay, the same tint. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, here the same tint. Okay, it's a bit green. Okay, but not ugly. Okay, if compared to MH12 Pro here, this one. Okay, this one its tint is quite green, more green, okay, than this, more than EDC33 and EDC35. Okay, I like the tint of EDC33 and 35 more than the tint of MH12 Pro, okay, in my opinion. Okay, 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 let me turn off. Okay, next I will show you beam shot comparison of these two flashlight. Okay, and then walk around in darkness. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is the ultra low mode. Okay, actually you can use it in the forest for walking around. I think it's not good. Okay, I can see the basketball go there, but not quite clear. Okay, let's go to about low. Okay, here low. Okay, this is the low mode. Okay, for the low mode, okay, you can walk around with the low mode, no problem. Okay. Okay, let's go to the house there. Okay, here. For the low mode, I think I can see things about 50 meters away, quite clear. Okay, low. Okay, let's go to medium. Here is medium. Wow, medium is very bright. Actually, medium is enough. Okay, very good beam. In my opinion, the tint of EDC35 okay, is better than MH12 Pro. Okay. I like this tint. Okay. Okay, let's go to high mode. Okay, oh sorry. Here is high mode. You see that? Very bright. At the another side of the basketball court. Okay, here. Wow. For the high mode, I think all the LED works together. Okay, and at the hotspot, you may see a ring at the hotspot. You can see that some it's a little dark ring at the hotspot. I think that's maybe because of the small LEDs around the center of the main LED. Okay. This is high mode. Okay, high mode also step down. Okay, it stepped down to the level that is still brighter than medium. Okay. This is about high mode. Okay, let's go to search. Okay, search here. Wow, in my opinion, I like search. I think its beam is really good. Okay, and search, if compared to EDC33 search, EDC33 search mode lasts longer. Here you can see it stepped down already. Okay, it lasts about 12 to 15 seconds, and then it stepped down to this level. Okay, I think it's still brighter than medium. Okay, this is search mode. Okay, okay, now back to high mode. Okay, okay, let's go to Lumin Shield. Okay, Lumin Shield. Here is Lumin Shield mode. You see that? Wow, very bright. Now I think you can see the dark ring here. Okay. Now it stepped down already. Okay. Here, see that? For the Lumin Shield mode, it also lasts about 12 to 15 seconds. Let me check the heat. Okay. Oh, it's quite hot. Okay. Now I'm at the high mode. Okay. I'm at the high mode because the last use mode is high. Okay. Overall, in my opinion, this flashlight is really powerful and it is really good for self-defense. Okay. Actually, search mode is enough for self-defense. Okay. Lumin Shield is really powerful, and the battery inside very high capacity. Okay. Things for improvement, in my opinion, just about here you can see the dark ring. Okay, at the center of the beam. Okay, I'm not sure whether this can be get rid of or not, but in my opinion, it's still fine. It's not ugly. Okay, for the battery, okay, for the battery, it is a built-in battery. If possible, maybe next version, I hope Nitecore will consider making replaceable battery, okay, replaceable battery version, something like that. However, Nitecore flashlight, I think one good thing is that you can charge your flashlight quickly. You can use power bank to charge your flashlight quickly, and you can also use the flashlight while charging, okay, simultaneously. This is a good thing. Okay, this is high mode. Okay, I can feel the heat at the head, but it's still fine. Okay, here if you want to walk around, maybe a medium and high mode is enough. Okay, okay. In my opinion, I think if compared to EDC33, I like the beam of EDC33 more than EDC35. Okay, but for the size and the battery capacity and the lumens, I think EDC35 is a good choice for self-defense. Okay, it's really powerful, very powerful beam. Okay. Okay. I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.